Okay. Hello everybody. How are we doing? Oh. Aye. I'm not really prepared enough, but hey ho. Bow. Very important. Doo-doo. Oh, there we are. Hello everybody. We are doing more Grandeur today. Yippee! I think today's probably the most prepared I've been for it. Mainly just because I know exactly what I'm doing and nothing else. So, I'm actually kind of locking in on a specific single thing. I mean, I've been kind of working on a single thing, but like this more than anything. Okay. How's this? Let me stop that mute. Let me turn on that and off that. Yeah. I'm also actually listening to Mario Kart World today. It's been a while, so I'm looking forward to having the soundtrack back. Yeah. Okay. Let me open Unity to start with. A good place to start. Okay. Why is my... Oh yes, from the Minecraft stream. Yeah. Bit better. Okay. We are specifically working today on the skill creation system, mainly because I've started the new uni year, and with that, work. Wow. Part of that is we are making a tool, and my tool is the skill creation system, which I'm already working on. So yeah. We're gonna basically, I just gotta keep working on this as my uni work for the next few months. This is a completely different project. Because it's a tool, it has to be able to work like on its own with like the bare minimum. So I made it a new project with all the code moved over. We're mainly gonna be working on skill controller. We do also have, I have a test one, yeah. I've added projectiles back in, not for when I'm working on my game. I probably will never use projectiles. I'll probably just use ranged, but yeah. Trying to make sure everything's working at the moment because it's being buggy, unsurprisingly. Yeah. You can see it kind of works. Obviously, it needs a lot more done. But it shoots. I can crank up the speed and go boom. Obviously, it doesn't look very good down here because I've got the bare minimum. I am going to make it so this test person can look around, so then I can actually, you know, make sure it's all working. I've had to change some stuff, because this was originally made for first person and we're no longer doing first person. A lot of it was based off using a ray from the camera. I've changed that to you having to give it an origin, which it will shoot the ray from. So yeah, I was just kind of making sure the bare minimum worked, I think. What other ones had I done? I've kind of done a bit of AoE. If I turn off range, turn on AoE, put the radius up to like 5. Put the duration up to 5? Oh. Hub. It disappeared quickly. The sightlines seems to be working fine, although it didn't look very centered. Weird. I feel like the wrong value got scaled here. It should have probably been this that went to 0.5. Why is the height 2 and the radius 0.5? Am I just stupid? Yes. Wait. No. Does it use this for the radius? It shouldn't. Does it? It does. Okay. It uses Viz radius for AoE radius. Why do I have 2 different options for the radius? Oh, because that was like with bullet radius. Okay, I need to make sure I'm using the right radius then. Luckily it's right here. Oh, no, this is AoE radius. Why is it talking about using Viz radius then? That's really janky. You should not be using Viz radius. Okay. It's using Viz radius for some reason. When it in fact should be using AoE radius. Oh wait, no, that's for the sightlines. Did I do it correctly for the sightlines, but then not for the actual spawner? Yeah. Radius, here we go. Honestly. What do I do for the sightline? Do I just do 0.1f? 0.01f. Nope. Okay, that should actually work correctly this time now. That's the hope. Yeah. You can see it actually spawns correctly. Obviously there's a lot that needs to be done, but that works. I don't think projectile does anything. Projectile doesn't do anything. I know melee doesn't. And mod health. This is going to be an interesting one. And I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to ship it with this, because this would also dictate how a lot of other stuff work. Which I'm not sure if I want to be dictated from this. We'll see. Okay. Let's stop this for now. We're gonna focus on ranged for now. Kind of focus on getting one thing working fully and then expand on it. I got rid of the land. Oop. I should probably just make it a sphere. Oh yeah, I was gonna... I also started adding tooltips. I don't really want to work too much on this off of stream, but for this tool I have been, because this is uni work, kind of now. So I can't just not. Alright, well, we have sphere. goofy. What if I drop the radius to like 0? It doesn't just break it, which is kind of cool. What if I put it back to 1? Yeah, you just got these tiny ones. Anyway, we need to get the destruction of these working correctly. Huh? Sorry, what? Why is this all off? Why the hell is this off? Why is it all spawning to the side? That is so weird. Ah. Why is it off? Position off. What is this? Mess. Audio something? Who knows? Okay. Okay, first, why is it spawning off center? They should be skill origin. I think. It's still shooting off center for some reason. What happens if I do a bullet? Okay, bullets are centered. It's specifically the spheres, which is very weird. Oh, so I was just editing projectiles. Oops. Let's see if this works. I know that's the bullets working. What about the spheres? No, why are the spheres still off to the side? That's incredibly odd. Why are you 0.2 off? Not even exactly 0.2 off. So it's clearly something specifically to do with this sphere. So we create a sphere, we transform it. I'm confused, why is this not working? I feel like this should be working. Ah. odd. Should probably check the layer and stuff. Yeah. It's clearly doing this, at least. I'm trying to see if there's a time where it just has kind of transformed opposition. Because it shouldn't anymore, but... That works. Above ground, not below player. I put my own music on, bro. I actually kind of need to... I actually can't focus with Mario music on at the moment for some reason. I got so locked in with the Mario music during the... whatchamacallit? The game jam, and I just can't focus with it right now for some reason. What am I doing? Okay. So the error is somewhere here. What if I just try swapping this to the what does that do? We will see. Oh. Yeah, you can see that it's very much not on the line. Is it just how they spawn? I'm just so confused at how they're... Is it because of this? Is this destroying it? No, it's just not being aligned. Yeah, you can see, well, we can't see the debug line, but you can see that's not, these aren't centered. And I can change this to be in a bullet and make it long. And yeah, you can exactly see where they should be and where they're very much not. Okay. Well, this lovely bug aside, you can see they're going past. They're also clipping through each other, which is always good news. Okay. I don't think the bug is here. I'm trying to even figure out where the bug would be. Is it the look at? Is it because I'm making it look at by any chance? I'd be surprised, but yeah, no, it's not. Is it because of rotation? It shouldn't be. It could. Nope. Okay. I'm loving this. Okay, well, it's not that. It could be something in the skill script. Which should also be surprising, but it's best to narrow it. Okay. That's not helping. You can see it starts there, and then it moves. Is it because it's starting in the player? Like if I... Oh, that is an interesting bug. But at least we know what the problem is now. It was just colliding with the player and getting shoved out. Which makes sense, honestly. How would I fix that? I'm trying to think what the word is. Like make it so they can only move like forwards? Because if they could only move forwards, then they'd ignore the collide. Yeah. Oh god, my back. Okay, I'll be honest, my brain's not functioning super fast at the moment. I've been up since like 3. That's a lie. I've been up since 11 PM last night. Because I like 11, half 11, because I napped for like 3-4 hours. And I couldn't get back to sleep. So I've been awake all night. So I'm kind of in a fucked position right now. I'm kind of tired. But just not so much tired, like my brain's just kind of slogging and it's not functioning very well. Especially when I'm trying to work on a huge thing like this and bug fix, among other stuff. My brain's just kind of fried at the moment, basically. so I don't know how long I'll stream for. I know I'm doing another layer anyway, so. Okay. Okay. What do we need to do? We need bullets to disappear when they hit something. Okay, I'm gonna quickly do this extra effects bit because I think this is quite easy to do. Basically just being, hey, add component where the component is custom script is basically what I need to do. I'm on the wrong wire. I said it. We're trying to look for the variables. The variables aren't on there. With all the tooltips. Which now that I think about it, can I condense like this? If I can, then I don't do. Yeah, I can. What button is it? What? I swear to God, there's a button to do multiple cursors in this. This hasn't errored me yet. If it does, I'll be interesting. Oh, this is half in the line then. I'll see if I could. I'd put the tooltips at the end, but that means they'd be for the next line, and that would be very good. These are also gonna need. I can always leave the tooltip blank, but I'd rather give them all the. God, I'm genuinely, my brain just feels so scratched. I feel like it's been hit with a whisk or something. I don't know. Okay. Okay. The reason stuff's not getting deleted is because it's bugged, apparently. Now, or I could just comment that out, like so, and then just change that to if the skill's not AoE, which means it should get deleted now, being the on impact. Oh, it's impacting with the player, I'm guessing. This is a slight problem. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to solve it. Temporarily, so we can test other stuff. Nope, it still counts. Yeah. Great. They delete themselves upon hand. Cooldown definitely doesn't work. So I guess we fix that next. That's the dot cooldown. Okay. If duration is greater than 0, then duration is minus equal time dot dollar time. Else if duration is less or equal to 0 and duration is greater than -1, then just destroy it. Okay. Now that I think about it, what is saying cooldown finished? Oh, thanks. Okay. Let's see. Okay. This is why it wasn't working, because part of it is bugged. So if I remove the bugged stuff, although we were going to have mana. Well, I'll re-add that when the time comes. It's just getting destroyed on the... There we go. Yep, cooldown works. Perfect. Oh, they're all getting destroyed. It's timed correctly. That's another thing off the checklist. That can just get deleted as well. That's mod, which isn't that broken. I was wanting to consider doing some kind of like fancy menu stuff with like drop downs and stuff that appears depending on which variables. Which I'll probably try and do, but later on. Okay. I know I've only been shooting 40 minutes, but I actually feel so out of it. And I'm probably just tired. So I'm probably gonna stop and just take a break. Which feels absurd because I feel like I haven't done anything this morning, but I feel so out of it. I might be streaming this afternoon, like lunchtime-ish, and then I'll be streaming tonight. Yeah. Okay, short stream, Lamau. Hopefully I'm good for a longer stream tomorrow and the day after, because I kind of want to be doing these game dev streams, but I actually just feel so out of it at the moment. Yeah, I'm gonna stop for now. I'll be back later today. Goodbye, everyone.